Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, fellow humans. Today we are diving into the meanings of Zul-Jalali Wal-IKRAAM. Allah is Lord of majesty and bounty. There is no perfection that does not belong to Him, no blessing or honor that comes from other than He. Allah is the owner of all majesty. Nothing else can even exist by itself. Nothing can sustain itself. In His majesty, He can destroy all instantly, just as He created it. On what power are you depending when you revolt against Him? To show His generosity, He has bestowed His bounty and honor upon you. Do not attribute this to yourself and glorify yourself. The honor He gave you is to make you see the giver of the honor, the truly honorable one. All is in need of Him. All comes from Him. Yet to tie every person to other people, to tie every creature to the rest of creation, Allah uses an invisible robe called need. He uses each person, each creature, as a means, as a vehicle to give to another what it needs. One must be grateful to the vehicle through which Allah's blessing comes, but one must know the true source and not forget to give all thanks to Him, all the praises to Him. All thanks are due to Him who not only provides for our worldly needs, but has also promised us and taught us how to obtain His eternal blessings. These we can achieve by spending upon others for His sake that which He gave to us through others' hand. The Lord of majesty and bounty is one of those beautiful names that cannot be attributed to anyone but Allah. Some of the ones who know have even claimed it to be Ismul Azam, the greatest of name. So Abd Zul-Jalali Wal-IKRAAM is the servant who fears only Allah, bows his head only to Him, and hopes to receive only from Him. This is the sign of the sincere believer's faith in the oneness of Allah. He expects nothing from people, neither does he fear their condemnation. For him, a sword held to his throat is no different from gold poured at his feet. He is neither worried by the one nor overjoyed by the other. Allah is enough. The Messenger of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, our beloved Master, says, recite Zul-Jalali Ikram when you are begging for something from Allah. If a believer recites this name 100 times a day for a week, all the burden of his troubles, doubts and problems will leave his heart, which will be free of maleficent imagination, worries and expectations, tensions and depression. Evil will not touch him and he will find peace. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.